As you are looking on the board, picture is not perfect, but we can manage. Let's start. Now let's start with question. As you know that this part you are unable to see video due to some light, so I am not going to write anything on this part. Clear this area. Now let's start. Read the question. In the given figure, the side BA and CA have been produced such that BA equals to AD. Means what? This one, this side equals to this side. BA equals to AD. BA equals to AD. Yes, I know that it is less visible. So BA equals to AD, and again AC is produced so that these two sides are equals to each other. Question says that prove that DE parallel to BC. We have to prove that DE parallel to BC, means we have to prove that these two are equals to each other. How we prove that these two are equals to each other? Because if we are able to prove that alternate interior angles are equal to each other, then only sides are parallel. So for first we try to prove these two triangles are congruent. I am writing on this side. So in triangle ABC and in triangle ADE, a little bit noise are there outside because some construction work is going on, so please pay attention, avoid those sounds. In triangle ABC and in triangle ADE, what we know? We know in triangle ABC, AB, this AB equals to AD, clear, and AC, this AC equals to AE. These two sides are equal, and also we know that these two are vertically opposite angles, na? So we must write angle EA. In case of this triangle ABC, BAC equals to angle DAE. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. They are vertically opposite angles. So we can write down triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADE by which property? By side angle side property. Clear? Now if we are able to prove these two triangles are equal, what does it mean? This means that this angle equals to this angle. Angle EDA equals to angle ABC by CPCT, or we can write down DEA, angle DEA equals to angle ACB by CPCT property. Clear? So therefore we can say, are you visible this point? This point visible. My writing is a little bit messy. Okay, see, therefore we can say that BC parallel to DE. BC parallels to DE. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal. Means these angles and these angles are equal to each other. This angle and this angles equals to each other. So hope this Concept clear. And though I have to solve in a one scale, that's why I am writing a little bit in messy figure. All of you first draw the figure, then below write down this provement. Clear? I hope this thing is clear to you. Now, all these things are clear now. This one, it is your in triangle ABC. We use this one to prove that congruency, and after congruency, we can say that these two angles, angle B, angle D equal, and angle C, angle E equal. So these two angles equal by CPCT. Therefore, if alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel. This one, these two lines are parallel, and this is our provement that BC parallel to DE. Now move to the next question. As you are observing in the figure that in triangle ABC, angles ABC, the perpendicular bisector of AC means this point, this one, AC, this one. Let me use my pen. This point, no, this point AE, AC in line AC, E is the perpendicular, ED is a perpendicular bisector, and this bisector meet AB at D, this point. Now question says that prove that AB equals to BD, AB equals to BD plus DC, BD plus DC. So we have to join these 2 points. We have to prove that BD, this, we have to prove that AB equals to BD plus DC, BD plus DC, this is AB. Clear? How we prove? I am proving on this side. Let's start. As you know, this is perpendicular bisector, so this is your perpendicular angle. But here we are not going to use RHS property. Remember, here we are not going to use RHS property. We are going to use side angle side property. Let's see. In triangle ADE and in triangle ADE or CDE, as we know that angle AED equals to CED. Why? Because they are 90-degree angle given to us. Then again it is given to us that AE equals to EC. ED is common. Remember student, here it is, though it's right angle, we are not going to use RHS property because hypotenuse are not equal. It is given. Only these two sides are given and this side is given, this angle is given. So we are using side angle side property in this case. ED is common, therefore we can say that triangle ADE congruent to triangle CDE by side angle side property. Now if these two triangles are congruent to each other, what does it means? It means that AD equals to DC. By CPCT, these two sides are equal in case of this triangle. Question says that AB equals to BD plus DC. So from this we can write down over here, as we know that AB equals to AD plus DB, and from this we can know that AD equals to DC, so DC plus DB, or we can write down these two are same, so BD plus DC. This DC means this one, and this AD means DB or DB or BD, whatever it is, same. So we can prove this one. Okay, see this question, and it is the last question of this video, and we complete the exercise as well as chapter also. In this figure it is given that in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Means what? AB equals to AC, as you are observing on the figure, and also given that EC equals to BD, means that baseline EC equals to BD. This is the condition. So question says that prove that AE equals to AD. How we prove that? We start the solution from here. It is given that EC equals to BD. When it from the figure we can say that EC equals to EB plus BC and BD equals to BC plus CD. So in this case, those two cases, BC is common, so we can remove BC and we can write down EB equals to CD. We can say that EB equals to CD. This first part is clear. Now once again we can say that though these two are isosceles triangle, so these two angles are equal to each other, as we know that angle ABC equals to angle ACB. Therefore we can say that if we subtract both sides from 180 degree, both are equal. Okay, let's start. Then what does this signify? This signifies that angle ABE equals to angle ACD. These two we obtain. These things are we obtain. We first obtain this thing. Suppose it's a 1, and this thing with 2. Now we are going to try to prove that these two are equal. So let's start. In triangle, I hope you are able to see this one. In triangle AEB and in triangle ADC, it is a limit ADC. Okay, now start. AB equals to AC given, number 1, it is given. Then we prove that EB equals to CD. We prove these two are equal, and thus just now prove that these two angles are also equal. Now angle ABE equals to angle ACD. So therefore we can say triangle AEB congruent to triangle ADC. Therefore we can say it is by side, angle side. So what we start? We can say that by CPCT. AE equals to AD by CPCT. So that's all for today. All of you complete this exercise and complete the chapter also in your fair copy. That's all for today. Thank you.